let's not bring that up.
You can't give a verdict. You are saying that it is unconstitutional, that means the LG is wrong. That is what the court will decide. So don't give a verdict.
No.
That's all I'm saying.
But explain to the audience quickly, Professor Yadav, why the LG's refusal of a dissolution was unconstitutional, because that's the nub of the matter, and that affects the very core of our democracy. A quick answer.
Because it is a prerogative of a government which at that moment is in majority to ask for dissolution, because politically it was absolutely clear that without defection there was no way a government could have been formed. The Congress had said so, the BJP had
Can I then ask you a question?
So there was no other option available at that point. Yeah.
Can I ask you this question? If this is such a fundamental issue, if it affects the very core of our democracy and our constitutionality, why are you not making a bigger storm of this matter? You've taken it to the Supreme Court, but you're very quiet about it outside of the Supreme Court. Do you think it's too difficult an issue for the ordinary Indian to understand and grapple with? Or are you so distracted by the national elections that this has lost priority?
Karan, you could be right. Look, we are people with limited abilities, limited resources. We have raised this question again and again. Media, for various reasons, did not think it important to highlight it. Once the court actually thought there was some merit in our argument, that the media has returned to that question. And yes, we are into a much bigger battle as well. We cannot go to Tamil Nadu, we cannot go to Bihar and talk about Delhi Assembly dissolution.
Forgive me, I'll stop you there because we are running out of time. I want Abhishek Singhvi to respond to that. The key issue here is that something of fundamental concern that affects our democracy and the constitution is actually being sidetracked because Aam Aadmi Party has raised it in court but lacks the resources to draw public attention to it and to ensure that it becomes a media issue. You're getting away with it, in other words, because Aam Aadmi Party is too poor to do anything more. That's the brutal truth. But that's not a right thing for you to take advantage of.
First of all, I don't agree with you that, I don't agree with Mr. Yadav that it takes a lot of money or resources to raise this issue. They are raising thousands of issues all over the country, and if they felt that it was a very strong issue with a strong motive, it doesn't require money to raise this. They have to simply repeat it. It's already in the public domain. Secondly, the issue needs to be reframed, and that's the crucial point I'm making. The issue is not whether this is right or wrong. The issue is whether the decision of the LG not to dissolve immediately when asked, but to wait and watch and think and maybe dissolve tomorrow or day after.
We're not reframing the issue. That is the issue. That's not a reframing. That is the issue. That is the issue we've been discussing.
No, I am reframing
the refusal and the delay come to the same thing.
That reason,
but gentlemen,
well, the refusal and the delay may not be perverse to justify a court intervention.
That's your argument. Clearly the Supreme Court will have to decide, but the charge against you is that the refusal is unconstitutional, and the explanation for not being able to make more of it is that Aam Aadmi doesn't have the resources, and as a result, a constitutional issue that affects the very core of our democracy has come up and hasn't got the public attention it deserves. And that is a problem and a pity for our country, because constitutional issues, particularly when they become controversies, deserve full public attention. Let's hope we've remedied the situation a little tonight. Let's hope hereafter constitutional issues don't go a-begging. My thanks to both of you for joining me. We're going to take a break at that point. And when we come back, the Election Commission, Azam Khan and Amit Shah, the controversy that simply won't go away.